Alright guys, I went back there. I liked my first box of Prime, so I thought I would try my luck again. I just, you know, it'd be awesome if I could pull a letter K or an E. As you see back there, it would fit nicely with those. So Dominion, let's do some Prime. Nothing looks, got a Timo Slani base. Let's just do that like that. Alright, numbered 68 of 249, Timo Slani. Ooh, Prime numbers 25, Sean Couturier, numbered 8 of 25. Riley Sheehan, Prime Time rookie. Showcase swatches 20 of 25, Barrett Jackman. And our last one, Riley Sheehan, 249 jersey. Showcase Prime numbers. Solani. Alright. Well, let's hope the Minion's where it's at. Not one leaf. This way. Ooh, we got a gold. 23 of 25, Andre Pavlik. We got a Tampa Bay. And we've got JT Brown. 16 of 19 rookie card. Ooh, so the 19. JT Brown, Tampa Bay Lightnings. 16 of 19. And we got a gold. So that is not too bad. Out of 19. JT Brown. Nice. So, I'd say that's the hit. And that's the hit. Alright guys, thank you very much. And good luck.